Today, let's take a look at how to create a box plot using the calculator. So I have already typed my data in. If you go to Stat, Edit, I have two sets of data. L1 are the 100-meter run times in seconds for the girls track team, and L2 is 100-meter times for the boys track team. After you've typed in your data, you want to go to Second, Y equals, and then go to Plot 1. First, you need to turn on plot 1, so go to on and enter. Then when you scroll down to type, you want this box plot with the two dots next to it, not this box plot with no dots. The box plot with the dots will show the outliers as little boxes instead of drawing a simpler box plot that does not highlight outliers. So I'm going to do the girls data, which is an L1. The mark is going to show you which symbol they use for the outliers. And then I'm going to change this to red. So if I click graph, nothing shows up. So I'm going to go to zoom 9, which is zoom stat, and it will zoom in so that you can see the box plot in a good window. Now, there are no numbers labeled here. So if we go to trace, it'll bring up this little cursor and we can see at the bottom that it tells us the median is 16.35. You can scroll to the left and the right and it will highlight the 5-number summary. Your minimum, Q1, median, Q3. This endpoint of the line is not labeled. This 21.4 is the largest value that is not an outlier. And then if you keep scrolling, it will highlight your outliers, which are 21.8 and 22.5. If I want to compare data sets, I can go back to second, Y equals, and I'm going to turn on plot 2. I also want this to be a box plot with outliers. The boys track data is in L2, and I'm going to change this to blue. So if I go to graph, you can see that the left side is cut off a little bit. So if I hit zoom stat again, which is zoom 9, now I've zoomed so that I can see both of the box plots. And the nice thing is that the calculator will adjust the height of the box plots so that you can see both of them. You can also click trace, use the up and down arrows to switch between the two plots, and then you can scroll through and see the key points, the 5-number summary as well. So that's how you do box plots in the calculator.